Most retailers want to reward their employees and offer discounts on in-store purchases. So let's check out a few ways to manage that in your FTx system. The quick and easy way is to drop either dollar or percent discount buttons in the POS. While this is functional, I'm not a huge fan of it. There aren't many checks and balances in place from a reporting standpoint, and there's nothing to ensure that only employees are using the discount, and you can't see which employees used it. A couple of better options include using house accounts or creating system discounts tied to specific loyalty accounts. So let's look at how to set it up the correct way. To use house accounts, we'll navigate to point of sale and house accounts. From here, we can create a single house account called employee discounts. Within it, we would choose each employee as one of the house account customers. Choose them individually, add them to the list. Now we would choose settings, make sure taxable is set to yes, and credit hold is set to yes. Now we have a decision to make. We can either use cost plus discounting, which allows us to set a percentage above cost that the employee will pay, or we can use discount levels. If we're using discount levels here, we would choose which level to use. We'll use level 1 for ours. Once configured, we would touch each department we want the discount to be applied to. Within the department details, go to the House Accounts tab and choose the percentage of the discount. Once saved, the only discounts that would be applied are going to be items that are tied to these departments. To use this, simply choose the house account before the sale begins, and any applicable items rang up during that transaction will receive the discount. You can also use the house account reports to see who is using the discount and what they're using it for. To use the system discount model, we would navigate to Price Book, Discounts. Within a discount, we'll drill over to Options. Here we can enable loyalty. What this means is I have to be a loyalty customer to receive the discount. But in addition to just being a loyalty customer, we can also choose which specific customers get this discount. Here I can choose only employee customers. Once chosen, whatever other options and values I've applied to this discount would hold true. And only the specific customers I've chosen would receive this discount. In addition, there's also a hybrid model where I can set up the house account as before, and within the discount choose Require House Account Level and choose the appropriate house account level. Then only people with that house account level will receive the discount. So as you can see, in either of these models, you get much more robust reporting than a simple percent or dollar discount button. That's this FTx Fact.